Keeping your nails clean and dry, using gentle nail care tools, and avoiding harsh chemicals and detergents that can dry out and damage the nails. You can also promote healthy nail growth by eating a balanced diet that is rich in vitamins and minerals, including biotin, which is known to promote strong, healthy nails. In addition to using grapeseed oil and vitamin E for natural nail care, there are other natural ingredients that can help to strengthen and nourish the nails. For example, coconut oil is a great moisturizer that can help to prevent nail breakage and promote growth. Tea tree oil is also a popular ingredient for nail care, as it has natural antifungal and antibacterial properties that can help to prevent infections and promote healthy nails. Overall, natural nail care is a great way to promote healthy, strong nails without the use of harsh chemicals or synthetic additives. By using ingredients like grapeseed oil and vitamin E, you can nourish and protect your nails while also promoting growth and strength. With a little time and effort, you can achieve beautiful, healthy nails that are both strong and natural. Our nails require proper care and nourishment to remain healthy, strong, and problem-free. However, harsh chemicals in commercial nail products can damage nails over time. A more natural approach to nail care using ingredients like grapeseed oil and vitamin E oil offers a gentle, effective alternative. Grapeseed oil is rich in linoleic acid, an essential fatty acid that helps nourish and moisturize nails. It penetrates nails easily thanks to its small molecular structure, allowing it to deliver nutrients to the nail matrix where new nail tissue is formed. This strengthens and conditions nails from within. Grapeseed oil also contains powerful antioxidants that combat free radical damage to nails. Massaging a few drops of grapeseed oil into nails and cuticles daily helps keep them supple, flexible, and resistant to breaking. Vitamin E oil is another natural ingredient that aids nail health. Vitamin E acts as an antioxidant that protects nails from environmental damage caused by free radicals. It also improves the elasticity of nails, making them less prone to splitting or chipping. The tocopherols in vitamin E work as lubricants to moisturize and soften cuticles while preventing them from becoming dry and flaky. To care for your nails naturally with these oils, massage 2 to 3 drops of grapeseed oil or vitamin E oil into your nails and cuticles. Start with the nail beds, running the oil along the length of your nails. Then coat your cuticles with the oil, rubbing it in using small circular motions. Massage the oil for 3 to 5 minutes to allow for proper absorption. Combined with massage, the oils help stimulate blood flow to the nail bed, which aids in nourishment. Leave the oil on your nails overnight for maximum hydration. Put on cotton gloves or socks to prevent oil from getting on your bed sheets. The extended contact time allows the oils to seep deep into your nails and cuticles. Apply the oil treatment 2 to 3 times per week for best results. Use it after showers and baths while your nails and skin are still damp to lock in moisture.